This is where it all started. Not perfect, but real. I spent 22 years in the corporate industry. Masaya siya, fulfilling, because I love teaching, mentoring, and helping people grow. But deep inside, may mga bagay na hindi ko ma-fulfill. Like spending full time with my family, makapagluto para sa kanila, makasama sila matulog sa gabi. And for a long time, my husband and I always wished na sana magkaroon kami ng business of our own. We tried the milk tea business, networking, Paris business, photocopying services, GCash, and even yung nagtitimpla ng dishwashing liquid and sell. Pero laging natitigil kasi busy kami and sometimes hindi talaga siya nagwo-work.
And if you're a small business owner, makaka-relate ka. Sa tuwing may mali, nakakapanghinayang kasi puhunan mo yun eh. Pinaghirapan mo. Nakakapanghina, no?
But we kept going. And you know, God has always His own ways. There came a time I had to stay at home. And while staying at home, doon ulit nagsimula yung desire ko to organize photos, to create. Parang sinasabi sa akin, tigil ka muna, bagong adventure ka naman. Buuin mo na yung pangarap mo. And I kept telling my husband, kumuha tayo ng printer. Sabi ko, pwede tayo mag-photocopy. Pero deep inside me, gusto ko talagang mag-print ng pictures. And one day we decided to get a printer. And that's when everything started. This is Just Crafted PH, and this is The Crafted Life with Janet.